Okay, if you look on page 9 at table 1.2 at the bottom of the page, this is showing some properties of some other compounds that you have to deal with in natural gas processing. Some of them are natural contaminants, and some of them are chemicals that we use to help us separate things out. The main thing I want to point out here right now is that just like the products that we're trying to separate out, the methane, ethane, propane, etc., they have characteristics that vary depending on pressure and temperature, and that's what allows us to separate them from each other. The same kind of behaviors of the contaminants allows us to separate them out. If you look at this table 1.2, you see, for example, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. These are both called acid gases, and they're contaminants that are undesirable in your final product. They have to be removed. If you'll notice, their boiling points, just like we can use boiling points. You remember, boiling point is a point at which something turns from liquid to vapor. Just like we can use the boiling point to separate out the different hydrocarbons, we can also use boiling points to separate out contaminants in the same way. You adjust the boiling point to make it either a vapor or a liquid, whichever you need to do to separate it out from something else. Then you just either remove it as a vapor from a liquid, or you drain it out as a liquid. So the point here that you need to be clear about is we're separating, the goal of natural gas processing is to separate out contaminants and also separate out the different products. And it's all done, even though it's different types of processes, it's all done basically the same way, by taking advantage of the different characteristics of the things that we want to separate out. Boiling point is one of the main examples.